Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I've got a really glam video for you all. I'm going to take a Chanel image and show you how to style it 3 different ways. I hope you enjoy. I absolutely love this Chanel image, guys, so I printed out 3 copies, one A4 and 2 5x7s. Now, I wanted to show you to shop your own home when it comes to decorating. Adding little touches can really invent a new lease of life in your decor. So I'm going to start first of all with this mini chopping board that I picked up at my local dollar store. Now I'm going to start first of all by taking the board outside, and I'm going to spray it with 2 coats of this beautiful Dulux baby blue colour. Now the colour is called Blue Balm, and it is my favourite baby blue at the moment, guys. Now once it was completely dry, what you're going to do is cut out the first image in the 5x7, and we're going to take some Mod Podge and we're going to glue it to the front. Then you're going to take that paintbrush once again. You're going to smooth out everything with your hand so there's no air bubbles. And then you're going to cover the entire mini chopping board in the Mod Podge. Now this dries clear, guys, so it's a great protective coating for the paper. Now, it was a nice sunny day when I was doing this project, so I put it outside for about a half an hour and it dried beautifully. What I did then is I had some Chanel ribbon and I tied a shoestring bow around the top of the chopping board.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
I then moved on to my second DIY. Now, I had this white flower box, guys, that I picked up last year from my local dollar store. I really loved how it looked very classy, and it looked like a box that you would purchase with flowers from a florist. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take that other 5x7 print, and what I'm going to do is Mod Podge it to the front of this box.
Every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through
You're then going to position it in place. Here I'm just lining it up to make sure it's in the middle, and then I'm going to smooth it out with my hand.
It's just us two, me and you.
Once it's completely dry, you're then going to go over once again with the Mod Podge to the front of the image.
Just feel so lucky, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you.
Now again, I let this dry outside in the sun. Now what I wanted to do, guys, is add some pretty flowers. I loved the black and white theme, so I wanted to use these Kmart roses that are just $5 a bunch. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking some old floral foam and I'm going to place it in the centre. I then took those individual roses and you're going to place them inside the floral foam. Now what you need to do here, guys, is place as many as you can to give a nice full effect.
Still can't believe you love me. If we only could talk just a little, find a place where the past is forgiven. You moved on, I am stuck in the middle. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep, I'm calling out your name, but I never wanted things to be this way, this way. Trying to keep up my eyes. I don't admit I want you back. No matter what I say, still you know I do miss you. I do miss you.
So I'm now going to start on my third and final DIY. Again, I shopped my own home. Now guys, I have this wooden bag that I picked up from a local thrift store a few years ago. I've done many a DIY on it. So what I did is I sanded the front back first of all. And again, using that beautiful Blue Balm by Dulux, I took it outside and gave it 2 coats. Now once it was completely dry, I then took that A4 size image and using the same method as before, I'm going to glue it to the front. Now I'm just showing you here that the paper was a little bit too tall. So what I'm doing is just cutting across the top of that line.
Sometimes I wish that I never met you. It's so hard, so damn hard to forget you. And no words could explain how I miss you. Girl, I do.
Now once you've glued it down, you're then going to glue over the top of the image as well. And then I took it outside to dry again. And what I'm going to do, guys, is add some of those white flowers inside the top of the bag as well. So what I did is I didn't take them out individually. I had 4 spare bunches and I just placed them in the top. Now I just played around with them until I had a nice full effect. I also added a Chanel ribbon to the handle.
The sun's going down
Guys, I always love to share simple and inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home glam. And here I just shopped my own home. I gave certain things a new lease of life with a pretty image from Google, and I absolutely love how they came. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chellesglamhome. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decor. I love sharing DIY projects, inspirational ideas and home tours. So my channel just might be for you. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button, guys, so you can become a part of Chellesglamhome family. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating with some Chanel inspired home decor. Now leave me a comment down below which was your favourite DIY. I'll be back real soon, guys, with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chellesglamhome. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.